Hey everybody, and welcome back to another car show adventure here. This time we're in Victoria, Minnesota for a really classic Wednesday night car show here. A lot of really nice classic vehicles here. As we make our way around and check this place out. I'm inviting you to join me. Shall you? Hey, just check this place out. Back here in this little shopping area back here in Victoria, there's a really nice Corvette here. Check out this vet here. Corvette Stingray. 1965 Corvette Stingray. Here's a Mercury Capri. A 5.0 Mercury Capri. Resembles a Mustang. Next up, Capri, it looks like another older Corvette here, a 1960 Chevrolet Corvette. Really nice. Next to the Corvette is an old Thunderbird here. 1956 Ford Thunderbird. And next to the Thunderbird is a Mercedes convertible. 1991 500 SL Mercedes. And check out this one here, this Skyliner, Ford Skyliner. Roof lifts up and folds back into the trunk. Check out this Chevy here, a 56 210 four-door.
No, I'm too old. I'm good at eating, that's about it. So it's got a regular.
Change up the lyrics just a little bit.
Nice car. Hey, check this one out here. Probably a little bit of everything into this rat rod here.
Knock, knock, knock it on heaven's door.
Check out the inside here.
Mama, put your guns in the ground. I'm not gonna shoot them around. Pretty dark to see. Mama, put your back away. I don't need it. Pretty dark, too dark to see.
Much better to drive.
Pretty good.
Hey, check out this Mercedes here. Mercedes convertible. I don't see any what year or anything like that. It's a nice one. $220. Convertible Mercedes-Benz. Well, it's a little smoky here. That's why we have some overcast from the Canada wildfires up north. But yeah, this is called the town of Victoria. And just check out all these classic vehicles here. And a really nice Porsche here.
Yeah, we met
We have a BMW coming upon us here.
No, you gotta eat more than that, kiddo.
Nice BMW.
I'll hold on to it.
I don't see what year or anything like that. So look, they are all BMWs. Another one here. This red one. There's a Corvette back here. This bright red Corvette. A 2021 Chevy Corvette. Stingray. Hey, check out this Ferrari here. Nice car.
The old ones? That's
We'll look at the inside of the Ferrari here. Nice. Nice. Next to the Ferrari is, check out this one here.
Everything's in one day, so I can take it.
Plymouth. Real old Plymouth there. I do like that Ferrari. And just check out all these vehicles. There's that new Mustang, electric Mustang here. And there's 5.0. Older Mustang 5.0, probably in the 80s. Chevy truck. Looks like an 83 Silverado. Check out this Chevy Nova convertible here. Chevy Nova Super Sport. Next to the Nova here is a Ford Mustang Mach 1. Sporting the Michelin tires. Nice Mustang. Hey, check this one out here, a Pontiac GTO. Next to the Pontiac is a Chevy Malibu. Next to the Malibu is another Chevy here. Chevy Impala. The Chevy Impala. And look what we have coming up here, an old Studebaker, a 1955 or 1957 Studebaker Hawk.
Almost like I've seen this.
1957 Golden Hawk Studebaker. Check this one out, a Porsche. Really sharp Porsche here. An Oldsmobile. Like the 88 old. Check this old Ford out. Not sure the year of the early 50s. Nice car. Check out this Plymouth here. I'm sorry, it's not a Plymouth, but it's a Dodge.
Oh, it'll do 120 without any problem. What's the heifer on there? That's the original penny launch. I was taking a picture of that. Oh, that looks the same one for it.
It's a Dodge. Check out this one here. It's a purple Dodge. Purple Dodge Charger here. The Shaker. The Hemi.
Here, get out of the way. Let the man get a picture here. But you can't believe it either.
Check out the back of this street ride here. This Ford street ride. And tires. $1926. And some more Blast of the Past back here. Dodge pickup truck. And I'm not sure what this old thing is here, but it's a beaut. Okay, just walking along the road here. Here's a really nice black Ford Lightning. There's Chevy Malibu. We come on the Plymouth. The 383 Roadrunner.
But it's cool. They were going to buy my grandparents' farm.
We have this really nice Chevy pickup truck here. 3200. Look at the inside of this Chevy pickup truck. Really nicely restored. Really nicely restored. Check out this one here, this Triumph TR4. Nice car. Hey, check out this 1966 Ford Mustang convertible.
Oh, he's up there.
Look at the upholstery with the Mustangs on it. I don't know if that's
One's for
original or not.
sale for $41,500.
Upholstery is Mustangs.
Ford Mustang. Hey, check out this cream color Chevy pickup truck here. Nice truck. We have an Oldsmobile. Real nicely restored. Check this place out here. In the small town of Victoria. For their Wednesday night car show here. They have every other Wednesday of the during the summertime here. Really nice event and really spread out. Make our way around here to check out some more classic vehicles here. Here's a Corvair, a 1966 Chevy Corvair.
I know you don't believe it.
So the ones with the rear engine, a 66 Chevy Corvair. And check out this one here. It's a 1960 Plymouth Fury. Nice car. Plymouth Fury. Hey, check out this old Cadillac here. 1957 Caddy.
Because of the people on the board of directors. He's just
I'm giving you. I'm actually a LA Rams fan and a upcoming
Nice Caddy. Fleetwood.
fan of the Jacksonville.
And check this one out. This is the Hudson Hornet here. You don't see very many of these on the road. It's the Hudson Hornet. We have a Pontiac Firebird convertible. '69 Pontiac Firebird. And what do we have here?
Yes, it is. Which is the point with some people. That's a cost for
Little two-seater.
Oh, insurance? Yeah, I paid $1,200.
I think it's for sale.
Insurance company when I bought it, $1,200 a year. I called the number, and I paid $300 because it's seasonal and all that. And I have insured for like $45.
Hey, you're looking for a project car here. The Corvette needs a paint job.
Doesn't matter.
The Turbojet 427. Not sure of the year, but I would say 66, 65. Okay, I'm going to wrap things up here at the car show here in Victoria. in Minnesota. A really great car show. Hey, be on the lookout for other great car shows that are coming up on the channel. And until next time, I will see you in the next adventure. Bye now.